Hello everybody, this is Natchez Trace. This is the reservoir outlook. I'm busy to get a little closer so you can see how pretty. Our neighbors from I think they said somewhere with the Netherlands. Let's get a better view. How's my Neverland friends doing? What do y'all think about President Biden?
Sleepy Joe.
Sleepy Joe. How do y'all see him over in Netherlands?
I don't know. I don't think we really see him.
Who does?
We know he exists.
Only if you're media, you especially don't know he exists. They cover for his ass. Don't y'all think that? They protect him?
I don't know.
They do, man. He used the damn government. He used the federal FBI and federal prosecutors to scare parents to not go to board meetings because they were trying to transition all our kids into being, openly sexual. They trying to make all the kids gay. Yeah, and they were pushing pornographic material onto the kids, like the books. It's insane, man. Yeah, America's not what it used to be. It's still beautiful, though. As long as you get out in the country and away from the